Hello and welcome to Retail Leasing and Tenant Management. I am Dr. Zafar Iqbal and I'll be your guide through this exciting journey into the world of retail and real estate. Whether you are a beginner, a leasing executive, or a mall professional, this course will give you the tools and insights to excel in retail leasing. Retail leasing is one of the most crucial functions behind malls, high streets, retail plazas, and outlet centers. It determines which brands enter a project, how commercial terms are structured, and how tenant relationships are built. In short, leasing decisions shapes the success of retail properties. Retail leasing and tenant management is a specialized discipline within commercial real estate. It focuses on how brands are selected, onboarded, and managed inside malls, high streets, retail parks, and mixed-use developments. It involves understanding market demands, negotiating commercial terms, designing the right tenant mix, coordinating fit-outs, maintaining ongoing tenant relationships, and ensuring that a retail property remains occupied, profitable, and customer friendly.